What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I went to KTMwarehouse.com and I actually ordered a couple of aesthetics that are going to make my car stand out just a little bit more. I grabbed the brushed aluminum inside door frame molding, which is this right here. This is Genesis designer made, and I like it because when you open the door, you could actually see it right there. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. I also grabbed the Genesis mini wing emblem and I put it right on my seats. You could actually see it from outside. It's pretty cool. I also grabbed the designer door handle catch plate, which is this. Now, I saw a couple of people on YouTube, they took the plastic molding out of the door handle, and I'm going to try to assemble it with the plastic molding on, because the plastic molding covers a lot of the holes, the clips that the molding goes into, and with this one it's so small that you would have to place it in a certain way that it's not going to cover entirely everything, and that's just not something that I like. I actually like it to be all buttoned up and nice and clean. So I'm going to try to do it with on top of the molding and see how it stands out. If it's protruding out too much, I'm going to take the molding out and I'm going to put this on. They give you a spacer for it and some 3M tape, so you can just put it right on. Most of these things are 3M tape installations. They're really easy. It takes 5 minutes. I also ordered the designer Genesis valve stem caps, but I have to talk to KTM Warehouse about that, because the first day that I put them on, most of the designer emblem just flew off the stem cap, and it shouldn't. 3 out of the 4 actually flew out. So like, KTM, come on, like put some real glue on it, right? Doesn't matter how fast I was going, there's the valve stem caps, really. Anyway, let's go ahead and install these. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna try a couple of methods, see which one I like more. It's pretty easy. All you need is a pry tool, like something like this. You get underneath the molding, pop it right out. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the molding right here, and what you want to do is you want to get this pry tool. You want to open this door just up a little bit, where you see that little crack. Get underneath it, right there, and then just slowly, and it'll pop right out. It's really easy. It should take about 2 seconds. A lot of people were actually taking that out and putting in a spacer. They give you spacers and 3M tape. Just stick it like this, but as you can see, I don't know if you guys could tell, there's a little space up there, and then there's a little space down here that if you just put it naked without the molding, that it's going to leave. Now, it doesn't matter what you do, that space will actually be there, and that space will be there. So I'm going to try it to do on the molding. I'm going to get 3M tape, I'm going to slap it on, and I'm going to try to do it on the molding. Should hold fairly good. As you can see, this is what I did. I'm doing the passenger side just because if I mess it up, it doesn't look good. I can always take it off. The front passenger and the rear passenger is exactly the same. So if I actually mess it up, I can just swap it, press it ever so gently. Let's stick it right back in there, like so. Voila. And as you can see, everywhere those covers are covered. The Genesis emblem sticking out. I like it. I think I like it better than not putting a spacer. It should hold. You don't need the spacer. The spacer is if you take the moldings out. But this I like. It's really clean, really nice. But this is what I'm gonna go with. And you guys let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty clean. It matches the chrome surrounding with the black surrounding. You don't see any holes, any screws or anything. That's what it looks like. Not much space. If you're going to take out the molding and put this in and not have any issues with, you know, what holes you're buttoning up with this cover, because this doesn't cover much, then you're not going to have an issue with this being just protrude out just a little bit. I mean, it's not a big deal. Your hands go in there, you know. I don't think it's a big deal at all. I think it actually looks awesome. Just to give you guys an update, the door sills, they look good. I love the wing emblems on the seats. Those look cool from the outside of the car. Of course, the license plate cover, I love as well. The valve stem caps, those have completely fallen off. KTM offered me a refund for it. Yeah, I mean, I know these are not that big of a deal of add-ons, but they did cost about $100, $150 altogether. You guys cannot tell me that this car does not look amazing already. I mean, so for the door sills emblems, it might be fruitless. I have carbon fiber coverings that are going to actually go over there in that exact spot. I ordered a bunch of carbon fiber parts, and I'm going to be placing them all over the place, and I'm going to show you guys how it's going to look, the before and after. That's going to be on the next video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Just got those installed. Let me know if they're actually worth it. Please, like always, like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, see you later. Peace out.